Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking salmon strips, simmer in vinegar. We call it paksiw, or in Bisaya, inununan na jud na siya. Char! So let's get started! Prepare and follow all the ingredients needed on screen. Put all the ingredients in the cooking pot. 1 pound salmon strips, 5 cloves garlic crushed, 1 medium onion sliced, 2 thumb-sized ginger pounded, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 2 teaspoons salt, 4 in 1/2 cup vinegar, 1 cup water. Stir well the ingredients before boiling. Add 3 pieces fingered chili or siling haba. Then cover the pot and simmer in low to moderate heat for 20 minutes. Wow! Now it's done and ready to serve. Ooh la la! Sabroso. It's a quick and easy recipe, so please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.